the very first event when the stream slows down to a muddy trickle at the very start of the chapter 1. Before the stream slowed down to a trickle, the fresh water was cold and refreshing and bubbly. When the villagers woke to the silence of the morning, they found out soon after that the stream that had flowed down from the mountain had slowed to a trickle. This had upset the Bucksha when they went to have their drink in the mornings and afternoon. The worried villagers had huddled together on the 6th day in the town square when the trickle was muddy and dry to discuss the problem. The author has included the verbs sobbed, ached, loved, and imagined to inform the reader that Rowan is mostly worried or scared at this point of the story. Emily Rodda does not use any nouns or noun groups for Rowan in this part of the novel, but many for his surroundings. This includes heavy heads, bubbling stream, or heavy blades. In the story, the author also makes Rowan speak. An example of this would be, "The Bucksha cannot drink from our well, Anard," or, "It is not sweet enough for them. It makes them ill. They can only drink the water that flows down from the mountain. It has always been so. If the stream stays dry, Star will die like all the rest." This is significant to Rowan because if the Bucksha died, there would be no milk to drink, no cheese, curd, or butter to eat, no strong, broad backs to carry the villagers and their harvests. Therefore, their population would die and they would lose their village. That Rowan is very worried and scared for his village, and his Bucksha, especially so. It starts the whole plot and is actually the cause of the whole novel being made in the first place.
The book title is Rowan Finn and the author is Emily Rodda. My event is when they are in this one, chapter 5. This is at the end of chapter 5. They first get out of the spider webs, then get stuck in this one. Someone called Rowan, but Rowan didn't hear the first time. He heard the second time. Rowan's reading and painting the words